Hi, Visa in Korea, Mr. Jang. Today we learn about and how to change e7visa to f299 long-term residence visa or f27 points-based residence visa. Right, there are four types of e7 special activity visas. And the first one is e7, e7-1, e7-2, e7-3, and e7-4. There are 85 jobs for the e7 visa, special activity visa, but usually when we say about this special activity visa, we can call it e7-1. And e7-4 is a coded points-based and skilled workers visa. It shall be changed from E9 to F7 only, right? So E7-1's basic requirement is first one is a bachelor degree and all. Second one is working experience, matching with your major. And number three is a Korean worker over 5 is required to get E7-1. And how about E7-4? But you have to earn over 52 or 72 points. 52 or 72 points. How to get 52 points? If your 2 years income over 52 million won and you got 10 points, and 60 million won, you got 15 points. If you got 66 million won for 2 years your income, you got 20. So if you get one of the higher than 10 points, you need 52. Except that you need 52. So 52 points to get is very, very difficult. So we just focus on 52 points only. So how to change the F299? F299 is a long-term residence visa. What is the requirement to change from E7-1? The first one need 5 years with working experience with E7-1 visa. The second one is and your yearly income shall be or GNI one time. So 2016's GNI is around 32 million won. Number 3 is a topic level 2. And number 4, you're saving over 30 million won for 1 year. If you meet this requirement and you have a chance to change F299. How about the E7-4? E7-4 is everything's the same thing except for this one. E7-4 requires GNI 1.5, around the 49 or 48 million won for your yearly income. The requirement is the same thing. And need 5 years, I said. What is the F27 point-based residence visa? It is a very, very highest visa ever than any other visa except for the permanent residency F5. So after 7, 1 year after E7-1 or E7-4, you have a chance. So there are lots of points to get your age and your income and your education level and the Korean language course, language level. So I already uploaded one of the after 7 and the point chart at my YouTube, Eric76 or Visa in Korea is a YouTube. This is for the Facebook, the page. You can check the points and the chart. So after 7, you need 80 points out of 125 points. So second one, And 1 year, I said already, after e7-1 and e7-4, you have a chance. What is the benefit after 99? If you're working at the same this your industry field, you can work and open business. But if your previous e7-1, your working is stopped, you cannot open your own business, right? So it is a condition to working continuously at the one of your e7-1 or e7-4 and the field, right? This is a requirement. f2-7, if you got this one, and you can work, but this is a condition, and you have a chance. Work and open your own business is possible. So it doesn't need to e7-1, the previous company is working, it is not needed to work continuously. e7-4 as well, you can change your company, it doesn't matter. It's totally different from this one, right? And after that, you can open your own business and work almost anything you want. It's a basic requirement, and what is the benefit after 99, after 7? Visa in Korea always provides the best information for Korean immigration matters and visa issues. And see you next time. Bye.